comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun.
Should I put it here and then the things on the sides? Hello guys, happy 2025. Today I've spent the first day of the year super peacefully. Obviously started my morning off going to the beach to watch the sunrise with my mom, which this is now the second year we've done it. It's a tradition. The clouds kind of gone the way of the actual sunrise today, but it's okay. I made a joke that the worse the sunrise, the better the year. So we're claiming that. Honestly, I've said it already that I have had such good feelings for this year, literally since 2023. I've been saying that I had this inner feeling that 2025 was going to be an amazing year. So we're really honing in on that. After the beach, my mom and I got breakfast and then I came home. What did I do? I actually spent the majority of the day reading. Something I really want to get into as a habit this year is reading consistently, and my goal is to have at least one book per month, if not two. My turn to go. Please hold. Prior to today even starting, I had been reading the book The Courage to Be Disliked, and today I actually read like 60 pages of it, I think, which is the most I've read in one sitting. So I spent a good chunk of the day doing that. Right now it is 5:50 and I'm currently on my way to a Pilates class. I had this class booked for a while because I thought the best way to start the year would be with a good workout. For doing that, I also have a Pilates class booked for Friday. So we have two already locked in. And then today was chill, but tomorrow I have fun plans ahead. So I hope you guys also started your year off peacefully. Also, what I do last night, sat in bed. I did not go out, didn't leave my house, and I was so content with that. Anyways, let's go do Pilates. It's evidently a lot later. I'm in bed now, which ideally is my organizational time. I love using my mornings and night to organize and plan out my schedules, the things I have to do and whatnot. And as we know, I'm huge on organization always, but especially now that the second semester, the spring semester, is approaching, I really want to start getting all my school stuff organized, which is why I'm so grateful to have Notion and to be able to use Notion. So I just want to say a really quick thank you to Notion for sponsoring this video. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I've worked with Notion in the past, and I have stuck by using Notion for the past year because of how organized it keeps me in every way. I feel like being the very structured, goal-oriented person that I am, Notion is my best friend. Whether it's for school, life, work, I can pretty much do absolutely everything in terms of keeping my life in structure on Notion. And I feel like, especially being that it's a new year and you are trying to get more organized in your life in whatever category it may be, Notion is the best place to start. I used to use it primarily on my iPad, but honestly, I've switched over to my laptop. One of the things I really love about Notion is how customizable and personable you can make your space. So of course, I created a new workspace dedicated specifically for my spring semester classes, which is going to be so great because I can track all my due dates, assignments, projects, tests, any important thing will all be in one place. And not to burst my own bubble, but I have made Dean's List the past 2 semesters, and guess what I've been using the past 2 semesters? Notion. It really is an all-in-one tool. Personalize how you think, plan, and work best. Whether I'm working on stuff for YouTube, for my everyday schedule, for school, for my bathing suit brand, everything is on Notion. So I can just switch through the tabs and have it all there accessible. And I feel like with Notion, it's super easy to turn your goals into habits. And if you are interested in getting started on Notion, but aren't sure how to start, you can check out Notion's marketplace with thousands of pre-made templates for you to use. And I gotta admit, I'm using a lot of pre-made ones. And there really are templates for practically anything. So you guys, if you want to get on track and stay on track throughout the year, get started on Notion for free at the link that is right here on the screen, as well as down below. And yeah, so with all that being said, I'm actually gonna check my Canvas, although classes don't start for another week. Yeah, I think my classes start the 13th. I'm gonna check my Canvas and see if anything is already up, whether that be the syllabus or what, so I can start inputting that into Notion. Besides that, I'm gonna call it a night, but thank you again to Notion for sponsoring this video. Good morning, you guys. It is Thursday, January 2nd, and as I mentioned yesterday, I have fun plans today because I'm reuniting with Camila and Sasha. Obviously, you guys know Camila. She was abroad and I visited her. And Sasha, Camila, and I actually went on a trip to the south of France. If you guys haven't watched that vlog, you should. But we are going on a boat today. First of all, I haven't been on a boat in so long, so very excited. But even more excited to reunite with them. So that's the plan. I just finished getting ready. It's 9 something right now. I'm thinking of wearing this, which is just this little polka dot top. I think it's so cute. And then I might get hot, but I like the way this looks. So it's this little wrap up. I think I'm gonna pick up Camila a little early because she wants to get coffee, and I guess we're gonna catch up since it's been so long. And then tonight, actually at home, we're having a Hanukkah party at my house. Technically, today's the last day of Hanukkah, but Hanukkah ended last night. Like there's no night tonight, but whatever. Drinking my spearmint tea. Let's have ourselves a marvelous day. Hey,
My Uber is here.
Stranger Twinnies. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good one, guys.
You too. Let me know if it's good. Don't want to disappoint.
Tell me how much it was. Do you
No,
know?
it's fine. On me, babe.
Sugar
New
daddy.
Year's, New Year's, new greetings.
How is bikinis,
Okay, wait.
In my last trip that I did with my friends, I think it was Budapest, we saw like a huge crowd of people and 5 of them had this because Max kept seeing the camera follow and he goes, oh my god, it's Tamara's camera. And I'm like, what? No, it's not. Look at it. And we see it, it's like slowly panning and we're like,
I feel like I'm like putting people onto discovering this. Ooh, this is good too. Cheers to that.
when was that?
You're both wearing pants. Thoughts on that?
Rectangle vibes only. Oh.
We back. Thoughts, comments, concerns.
Ooh, that angle does not do.
Yeah.
Alright, good.
On YouTube.
Lock in.
Yeah. Yo. Oh. Not you stripping down. Me, Tamara, and Cammy. My fave song.
Can you take a photo of it?
Yeah. Got it.
Alright, how long am I filming though?
Did we get the bin?
Watch the
I'm spraying all of you. That's it.
Oh, Sasha!
Hello? we got
Candy, she's sweet like candy.
Hey, Today we're about a jet ski.
Maybe.
in my veins,
You're going on.
baby. I'm dying for another taste. Every night my mind's running around her. Let's get loud, loud. Let's get loud, loud.
Happy early birthday! What I do, act more stupidly. Coolery, more Louis V. My mama couldn't get through.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday, January 3rd. Yesterday took the life out of me, to put it plainly. It was a lot of fun. And then when I came back home, there was a whole bunch of people at my house. Did that, and then I actually knocked out. Today is a new day. I started my morning off by reading. I'm getting pretty far into the book. It's not that long of a book. It's only 272 pages, and I'm currently on page 109. So goal is to finish this maybe by the end of the week, maybe by Sunday, depending what my itinerary looks like. But yeah. And then I did my morning lineup, drinking my matcha, and I have another Pilates class at 11. So in about 40 minutes, I'll head out. So far, so good to the year. Yeah. Also, in case we are noticing, I did break out a little bit, and I looked it up, and I think it might be with all the new supplements I'm taking. It's like a purging phase where my skin is going a little crazy, but then it clears up. So I'm hoping it's that. But anyways, oh, I'm also doing laundry right now. So when my laundry's done, I'm gonna put on my workout set and head out.